Welcome to Magic Designers, shockingly talented HIAI designers that crank out high-converting, pixel-perfect graphics that are selling like crazy for any business, project, or campaign in nanoseconds. No learning curve, prior skills, or experience needed. Instant results, guaranteed. By the time you're done watching this video, you'll be amazed at how effortlessly you can create professional graphics that look like they came straight from a high-end designer, but with the advanced and extremely fast power of artificial intelligence. So, let's dive right in. Once you log into the Magic Designers dashboard, you're ready to go. Just click the Create button, and you're on your way. Here, you'll see a selection of specialized AI designers, each an expert in their own field. Whether you need a logo, professional photography, a doodle, or even an illustration of the highest quality in seconds, Magic Designers has got you covered. Let's start by creating a logo. We'll choose Alex, our AI-powered expert logo designer, capable of creating unlimited logos in styles like flat, artistic, minimal, sketch, and abstract. All you have to do is enter your brand name. This is the name that will appear in your logo. Describe your ideal logo. Tell us a bit about your business, whether it's a restaurant, real estate agency, or online store. And add details about your preferred style, colors, and overall look. Feeling stuck? Click Random Content, and the AI will generate a sample description for you. You can tweak it as needed or keep clicking until you find something you like. If you have a logo style you love, simply drag and drop an image, and Magic Designers will analyze it and generate a similar description for you. And if you want to fine-tune your idea, the AI Improve button will enhance your description for a more polished result. Next, select your logo style, whether you prefer modern, handwritten, playful, futuristic, or something else. Choose your aspect ratio, square, landscape, or portrait, and file format, PNG or JPEG. Then hit Generate. Boom! Just like that, your logo is ready. And if you're not 100% satisfied, simply hit Generate again for a brand new variation. Once your logo is generated, Magic Designers gives you even more tools to customize and refine it. At the top menu, you'll find powerful enhancement options. Generative Fill. Need to expand or modify your design? Use this tool to seamlessly add or remove elements while maintaining a natural look. Remove Background. Quickly remove the background from your design to make it transparent or place it on different surfaces. Magic Eraser. Instantly erase unwanted elements from your design with AI-powered precision. Magic Expand. Expand the boundaries of your design to create a larger composition without losing quality. Background Replacer. Swap out the background of your design with a new one that fits your brand identity. Magic Upscaler. Increase the resolution of your design while keeping sharp details, making it perfect for high-quality printing and marketing materials. We will demonstrate these features in detail shortly. The Editor. The Editor feature provides advanced customization tools to fine-tune your design further. Filter. Enhance your design with professional-grade filters to add a unique touch to your artwork. Resize. Adjust your design dimensions to fit specific social media platforms, print formats, or website needs. Crop. Remove unnecessary parts of the design and focus on the most important elements. Draw. Add freehand sketches or doodles to give a creative and personalized touch. Text. Insert custom text with a variety of fonts, colors, and styles to make your message stand out. Shapes. Include geometric or abstract shapes to enhance your composition. Stickers. Choose from a collection of stickers to add fun and engaging elements to your design. Frame. Add borders and frames to give your design a polished, finished look. Corners. Round out sharp corners for a softer and more modern aesthetic. Merge. Combine multiple elements seamlessly, allowing for a more cohesive final design. These tools give you complete creative control, allowing you to transform any design into a truly unique and professional-looking masterpiece. Once you're happy with your design, simply download it in high quality and start using it for your business. MagicDesigners lets you create professional logos for any industry, whether it's real estate, health and wellness, travel, marketing agencies, and beyond. Now let's move on to creating high-quality stock photos. This is Michael, our AI-powered veteran photographer, capturing stunning portraits, landscapes, travel, and fashion photography. Describe the image. For example, let's create a photo of a girl wearing a t-shirt with text that says, Summer 2025. Click Generate, and within seconds, MagicDesigners will create a stunning high-resolution image. Want something different? Try a food stock photo. Maybe something like a pancake salad with cherry tomatoes and fresh greens. Pretty awesome, don't you think? The possibilities are endless. What about abstract design? Meet Maya, our AI-powered abstract design artist of choice, crafting product backgrounds, patterns, and zoom backgrounds with style. Maya specializes in generating visually stunning backgrounds for various design needs. You can choose from a wide range of categories such as product backgrounds patterns, zoom backgrounds, geometric and Memphis elements, textures, gradients, bokeh, and minimalist backgrounds. Simply describe the scene you want. Let's design a zoom background as an office setup or meeting room. Select the widescreen format and hit Generate. Just like that, you have a professional background ready to use for Zoom calls, webinars, or even your website. Looking to create playful doodles? Meet William, our AI-powered doodle expert, creating fun and amazing doodles full of creativity. Describe your doodle. Let's create a doodle art of a cute kid with flowers and clouds. The text says, Summer is here. Select a style. Click Generate. And there you go. Perfect for kids' books, coloring pages, or even selling on Amazon. Want more options? William also lets you create doodle characters, icons, typography, and 3D illustrations, among others. If you love detailed pencil sketches, you'll want to check out Leonardo, a skilled sketch artist bringing ideas to life with detailed and expressive sketches. Let's design a pencil sketch of singer Drake. And wow, that looks incredible. Now let's try to design a pencil sketch of Lionel Messi playing football. These sketches are so realistic, you could even print them out and sell them on Etsy or as framed artwork. For motivational quotes and stunning social media graphics, let's turn to Daniel, our AI-powered quote maker delivering inspiring quotes to uplift and motivate. Simply choose a category. Hit Generate, and let MagicDesigners create an eye-catching quote for you. Want something custom? Enter your own text, for example. Create a quote that says, "Dreams don't work unless you do." Use big fonts and an inspirational background image. And let Daniel do the rest. Every time you use MagicDesigners, you'll get fresh, unique designs to keep your content looking professional and engaging. I think you get the point, and you can do the same with Andrew, our illustration expert, Christopher, our blog post creator, Matthew, our very funny meme creator, Jacob, our merchandise designer. But I can't leave you without showing what Olivia can do for you. Need an Instagram ad? Olivia is our social media design expert, crafting posts, stories, podcast covers, and ads that stand out. For example, let's create a post for a grand opening restaurant ad poster. It has large red banners that say Grand Opening in bold white letters. Below that banner is a photo of a burger with crispy bacon and melted cheese. Set the aspect ratio to square. Click Generate. And just like that, you have an engaging, high-converting ad ready to use. Pretty impressive, don't you think? But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Here in the dashboard, you will access the featured Magic AI tools, where you can enjoy powerful enhancement options for any design you upload into MagicDesigners. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting features, Generative Fill. This powerful AI tool allows you to intelligently modify your images by adding or removing elements while keeping the scene natural and cohesive. Whether you want to expand landscapes, remove distractions, or fill in missing details, Generative Fill makes it easy to create seamless edits. Remove background. Instantly extract subjects from their backgrounds with precision. This tool is perfect for product photography, social media graphics, or creating transparent PNGs without the need for manual selection. With just one click, your subject is ready to be placed onto any backdrop. Magic Eraser. Easily erase unwanted objects or imperfections from your photos. Whether it's an unexpected photobomber, distracting elements, or small blemishes, this AI-powered eraser seamlessly blends the surrounding area to keep your image looking clean and professional. Magic Expand. Need more space in your image? Magic Expand allows you to extend the boundaries of your photos while maintaining realistic details. Perfect for adjusting aspect ratios, creating banners, or making images fit different layouts without distortion. Background Replacer. Transform the setting of any image by swapping out the background with AI-generated scenes or custom uploads. Whether you need a professional office, scenic landscape, or abstract texture, this tool gives you complete creative control. Magic Upscaler. Enhance image resolution without losing quality. Ideal for improving low-resolution images, the Magic Upscaler sharpens details, reduces pixelation, and ensures your visuals look crisp and professional for high-quality prints or digital use. And what about the cherry on top? The agency feature in MagicDesigners allows users to personalize and tailor the design platform to match their brand identity, making it ideal for businesses, design agencies, and creative professionals who want a fully customized experience. Here's what it offers: branding customization, website and SEO settings, global appearance customization, user and team management. With these features, MagicDesigners Agency Mode transforms the platform into a fully branded, white-labeled workspace that agencies can use to manage multiple projects with a unified brand identity. And that's MagicDesigners, your all-in-one AI-powered design tool. Whether you need logos, stock photos, social media graphics, doodles, or stunning artwork, MagicDesigners makes it fast, easy, and fun. Ready to start creating? Log in now and bring your ideas to life.